Snickers, the perfect blend of fluff nougat, gooey caramel, salty nut.
Sticks. The combination of sweet and salty flavors has made Snickers a beloved treat. Let's take a look at how
From its classic shape to the instantly recognizable wrapper, Snickers has remained a staple in candy aisles worldwide, satisfying cravings in every shape and flavor.
Created in 1930 by Frank Mars and named after the family's favorite horse, Snickers has stood the test of time.
The Snickers bar, made up of peanuts, caramel, nougat, and chocolate, brings a perfect combination of textures: chewy, crunchy, and creamy.
For generations, Snickers has been a cultural icon, continually evolving yet maintaining the perfect balance of crunchy, chewy, and creamy.
Let's dive into how each layer of this classic treat is created. Watch how every Snickers bar is made.
As millions of Snickers bars are produced, each one is carefully shaped and wrapped with the same attention to detail that Frank Mars originally envisioned. Inside the Master Foods facility in Waco, Texas, Snickers bars are made in a large-scale production setup, creating 65% of all Snickers sold in the U.S. Snickers are made in large batches, with every piece of candy carefully shaped and wrapped. This is where the magic happens.
This factory isn't just big in scale, it's big in history. Each Snickers bar is made with care and precision.
From the large machines to the hand-finished touches, Waco's factory produces Snickers bars of various sizes and flavors.
Ensuring each bar is wrapped in the signature Snickers wrapper and ready for shipment, Waco's team continues to carry on the tradition of perfection. Thanks to this factory, Snickers bars are sent out all over the world, bringing joy and satisfaction to candy lovers just as they have for decades. Snickers' signature creamy milk chocolate is made with the perfect balance of cocoa butter and lecithin, giving it a higher melting point.
This special chocolate formulation ensures that Snickers chocolate resists melting in your hand, but dissolves smoothly when it touches your tongue.
Top-quality cocoa beans are roasted and ground into powder, creating the rich base for Snickers' iconic chocolate.
The cocoa paste is refined, mixed with sugar, and blended with milk powder, resulting in a thick, rich chocolate paste.
Refining and tempering the chocolate ensures the ideal texture, allowing it to coat every Snickers bar with that smooth, glossy finish. This high-quality chocolate is what gives Snickers its iconic texture, firm in your hand, yet melting perfectly in your mouth.
The process of tempering helps the chocolate harden to the perfect consistency, ensuring it holds its shape while maintaining the glossy finish.
The journey begins with top-quality cocoa beans that are deshelled and roasted to perfection, forming the base for the Snickers chocolate.
After roasting, the beans are ground into fine powder, which is then mixed with other ingredients to create the creamy chocolate base for Snickers.
This cocoa powder forms the foundation of Snickers' signature chocolate coating, giving it the rich flavor that we all recognize.
The cocoa powder mixture is then refined to remove any remaining rough textures, creating the silky smooth chocolate that covers each Snickers bar. The refined cocoa paste is then combined with sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter, turning it into the perfect consistency for Snickers.
Through a careful process of conching and tempering, the chocolate is given the perfect texture, ready to coat every Snickers bar.
This high-quality chocolate is what gives Snickers its iconic texture, firm in your hand, yet melting perfectly in your mouth.
Nougat is the sweet, chewy core of Snickers bars. The process starts with blending corn syrup, sugar, and water.
The mixture is stirred and cooked further at 270 degrees Fahrenheit to achieve the perfect consistency, firm yet pliable.
Nougat must maintain the perfect firmness. Too soft, and it won't hold its shape in the Snickers bar.
This process is carefully controlled to ensure the nougat is just right. Not too soft, but with the ideal.
Once the nougat reels its ideal texture, it is transferred to a screw mixer, where it's combined with freshly ground peanut butter for that nutty kick. Once the nougat reaches its ideal texture, it is transferred to a screw mixer, where it's combined with freshly ground peanut butter for that nutty kick.
This peanut butter-infused nougat is now ready to be shaped into the classic Snickers bar shape.
Peanuts are a key component of Snickers, and they begin their journey by being roasted to perfection. The raw peanuts are
The peanuts are roasted at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, unlocking the deep, delicious flavors that make Snickers so irresistible. Peanuts are carefully spread across a specialized conveyor belt, ensuring that each nut is evenly roasted to perfection before being added to the Snickers bar. Roasting the peanuts is a precise process that enhances their flavor, ensuring that every Snickers bar has that satisfying, nutty bite. The rich, roasted flavor of the peanuts is the perfect complement to the smooth nougat and creamy caramel, giving each Snickers bar its unique taste.
The roasted peanuts now move on to the next phase, where they will be carefully mixed with caramel and nougat to complete the delicious layers of Snickers.
These perfectly roasted peanuts are now ready to be mixed with the caramel and nougat to form the classic layers of a Snickers bar.
To create the creamy caramel in Snickers, corn syrup, butter, sugar, and salt are mixed together in an industrial vat, creating a smooth, sticky mixture.
The caramel is carefully cooked at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes in a vacuum kettle, achieving the perfect consistency.
As the caramel cooks, vanilla extract is added for flavor, enriching the caramel's taste and enhancing the overall Snickers experience.
Caramel making is a delicate process that requires careful monitoring to prevent burning and ensure the perfect balance of smoothness and richness.
Once the caramel is ready, it's cooled to achieve the ideal viscosity, ensuring that each Snickers bar has a perfectly thick layer of caramel. Snickers caramel is created with a precise recipe to ensure that each layer is as smooth and sweet as possible, complementing the salty peanuts and chocolate coating.
This silky caramel is then poured over the nougat and peanuts, creating one of the signature layers of the iconic Snickers bar.
Nougat is the sweet, chewy core of Snickers bars. The process starts with blending corn syrup, sugar, and
Next, fluffy egg whites are folded into the hot syrup, transforming it into an airy, creamy texture that will form the perfect nougat.
The mixture is stirred and cooked further at 270 degrees Fahrenheit to achieve the perfect consistency, firm yet pliable.
Nougat must maintain the perfect firmness. Too soft, and it won't hold its shape in the Snickers bar.
This process is carefully controlled to ensure the nougat is just right. Not too soft, but with the ideal.
Once the nougat reaches its ideal texture, it is transferred to a screw mixer, where it's combined with freshly ground peanut butter for that nutty kick.
Now that the roasted peanuts and caramel are prepared, it's time to combine them with the nougat to form the signature layers of Snickers.
First, a layer of crunchy, roasted peanuts is spread evenly on top of the freshly formed nougat. Next, the warm caramel flows onto the peanuts and nougat, combining into one deliciously sticky mixture. The caramel and peanuts are mixed together, forming the distinct layers that make up a Snickers bar. This combined mixture of nougat, caramel, and peanuts is now prepared for shaping into the iconic Snickers bar form. This mixture is then spread evenly and cooled, creating a uniform layer that will soon become the filling of a Snickers bar.
Finally, the Snickers bars are coated with a rich layer of silky milk chocolate, enveloping the caramel, nougat, and peanuts inside.
After being coated, the Snickers bars move along a conveyor to a cooling tunnel, where the chocolate hardens and sets into place.
The milk chocolate is tempered to perfection, ensuring it has the right texture and a glossy finish that makes Snickers so irresistible.
As the chocolate sets, the bars take on their iconic Snickers shape, ready for their signature swirl and final coating. Once the chocolate has hardened, the Snickers bars are ready for the final touch, the wrapping. Now, the Snickers bars are ready to be shipped out across the globe, conquering cravings one satisfying bite at a time. The wrapping machine efficiently wraps each bar in its signature Snickers packaging, ensuring freshness and quality.